Hi, I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like my content and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button. And please leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I want to talk about Zeroswap. That's right, Zeroswap. It's a multi-chain trading protocol. It accesses multi-chains with zero fees and gasless transactions. Nobody wants to pay fees. Zeroswap, baby. The Z token. Now, I'm using the Z token for its utility as well as its idea. It's got a great idea here. Let's take a look at the website. Let's talk about it, but I really want to show you how to bridge your assets from Binance Smart Chain to the Ethereum mainnet, or from the Ethereum mainnet to the Binance Smart Chain. You could go back and forth using the Z token. That's right. Let me show you how it's done. Let me show you how I did it. Through this way, you can get yourself from the Binance Smart Chain right over to the Ethereum network and vice versa. Quick, easy bridge, nice and fast. Let me show you how long it takes. Let me show you the process. Let's get into using the Zeroswap bridge. So what is Zeroswap? Zeroswap is a multi-chain compatible decentralized exchange aggregator protocol. Say that 10 times fast. It's focused on making zero fee transactions possible. They want to make trading simple and easy by providing access to multi-chains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, Elrond, all under one roof. The core product is designed to be gasless, and it's focused on aggregating liquidity from multiple protocols. Now, what I'm using it for is to get from Binance Smart Chain to the Ethereum mainnet. There's a lot of other things going on with the DEX aggregation. It's developer friendly, but the bridge is really what it's all about right now, and that's why I want to show you what's going on. How to use the bridge. Now, before you even use the bridge, you need to download a MetaMask wallet and install the Binance Smart Chain. I made the video about 4 months ago. It's right here. There will also be a link to the video, how to use Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask. It's going to teach you how to install it, what to do. Watch that video. It's going to get you going with the Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask, because you already have the Ethereum mainnet on your MetaMask wallet. You have to install the Binance Smart Chain to get going. Watch this video, show you how to do that. So today we're going to move USDC BEP20 from the Binance Smart Chain over to the Ethereum mainnet. All right, let me show you how that's done. The first thing you need to do is you need to get some USDC, which I have in my wallet. So how are you going to buy this? The first thing, hit the Z symbol right here. Okay, that's going to take you to another page where you can scroll down. Here you're going to see the different contract addresses. One for the ERC20, which is the Ethereum mainnet, and BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain. Here, we're on Binance Smart Chain first, so we're going to hit the BNB pair on PancakeSwap. Okay, that's going to load up the Z token. All right, and you're going to hit trade right here, and it's going to take you to the exchange. Now, this is the Z swap token, and you're going to sit, I understand, and import, and we're going to import the Z token. Now we're going to flip this, but we're going to flip this to USDC. So we're going to buy the Z token with the USDC. We're going to do that right away. We're going to swap. So there we go. I'm going to swap $30 of USDC for the Z token. All right, wait for that to be submitted. Shouldn't take too long. Usually it's done in a jiffy. Once you realize that your USDC balance is zero, you can tell that you bought the Z tokens. You can also flip this, hit the max, and you can see 153.95 Z tokens. All set. We've now converted our asset we want to move from USDC to the Z token. You're then going to go back here to the home page, and you're going to hit bridge. This is going to take you to the Zeroswap bridge. You're going to make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. You're going to connect your wallet. It'll connect, and look, there it is, my 153.94 Z BEP20. Now I'm going to convert this to Z ERC20. So I'm going to convert these Z tokens from the Binance Smart Chain to the Ethereum mainnet. I'm going to hit max. It's going to fill the max button here. Then I'm going to hit transfer. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a green box with a blue line, and that's going to show you how long this transfer is going to take. Usually when I go cross-chain, which I've done a few times on different protocols, it takes between 5 and 10 minutes depending. This should take about 5 minutes in my opinion. So now the Z is gone. The transfer took place, but you can't see it. Where is it? Don't worry, follow these next steps. You're going to click your MetaMask wallet, turn it back to the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, very important. Back to the Ethereum mainnet. Then you're going to see this, pending unlocks. Click on that and release the Z tokens. This is a fee for the Ethereum mainnet. Charges me about $4.19. Hit confirm. And pending Z unlocks. Bam. The Z has been unlocked. And there you go. Z ERC20 balance. I've just moved BEP20 Z over to ERC20 Z. But we're not done yet. Now let's go convert that Z back to USDC. How do we do that? We go to Uniswap, okay? And we're gonna go and select the token, which is that Z token, right? If you're not sure where it is, you can go back here on the website, scroll down. It's gonna give you the contract address right here. Also, it's gonna give you the pair on Uniswap. You can click here. It'll bring you right to Uniswap, okay? Where you can import it and see the coin. And look, there's my Z on Uniswap ready to go. It's right here. I hit max. I swap this to USDC, $30. Hit the swap button, okay? Hit confirm swap, pay for the fee, which is $4. You can see I did use $9 to move 30 bucks though, and then pay for the fee again right there. I now successfully converted my USDC on Binance Smart Chain to my USDC on the Ethereum mainnet. It is expensive due to Ethereum's fees, but they will be slashed and things are gonna start moving better on the Ethereum mainnet. Also, we can scale with Polygon and other things. Maybe Z token can implement another protocol into this to bring the fees down. It did cost me about $9 just to move $30. But that's Ethereum's issue, really not ZSwap's issue at all. They did make a beautiful bridge, and I successfully moved my assets from Binance Smart Chain over to the Ethereum mainnet. And you can see there's 0 Z left. I have swapped my Z to USDC, and I'm a happy man, ready to rock. So that's Zeroswap. I just wanted to bring you guys some fun ways to be able to move your assets from one chain to the next. As we see the speed of technology grow and more DEXs and aggregators get made, these protocols are going to be more and more efficient. Everything is going to be cross-chain, everywhere. A year, 2 years from now, cross-chain isn't going to be a word, it's going to be an obvious thing. Everyone's going to be like, yeah, what do you mean? Like, we just go back and forth like that. So I can already see where things are going. I'm so deep into the space, I have a really good sense of the innovation that's occurring and where we're headed. Because of that, I know what coins are best positioned to make you a killing. If that's something you want to know, you should join my Patreon, where I give them updates to the exclusive investments that I'm doing and coins that I'm preparing to hold for the next year or two for over 100x gains and more. If you like my vibe and the content that I created, know that I go live every single day from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time in the USA. That's UTC 4. Also, I'm on Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. and Sunday night at 8 p.m. for the weekly candle close for Bitcoin, where we get ready for the week ahead. I also make content just like this video as well, so please subscribe and become a crypto lifer. If that's not enough and you want more, join my international trading group, the Crypto Lifer World Trading Group, in the link below. That's a free trading room where you can get access to expert traders, all sorts of good advice, and just progressively positive people that are willing to help you learn and gain an edge in cryptocurrency. Also, for $99, get access to all my Telegram groups, which is a beginners group, a Binance Smart Chain room, Uniswap room, and an exclusive 99 room for anyone that pays $99. In these rooms, you can learn everything you need to know of how to trade cryptocurrency. I also have an exclusive calls and charts only room where I post everything that I buy and sell, exactly what's in my portfolio, and exactly what I'm doing. I also have a team of analysts working around the clock from around the world that are posting charts as well, showing you what to get into, when to get out, and helping you trade. On top of that, I also do one-on-one tutoring and consulting. If you want me to go over your portfolio, I can do that. If you're unsure about coins or what you're holding, or if you want to do a rebalance, I could help you. Or if you just want to learn technical analysis, I'll give you a full-blown PowerPoint or if you want to learn technical analysis, I will give you a one-on-one where we'll go over my personal PowerPoint that took me 15 years to create of all my trading secrets, guides, tips, and tricks to help you learn technical analysis. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to this channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.